Okay, this is question number 4 on the applications of trig assignment, which is homework number 4, and this is question number 5. An air traffic controller needs to determine the angle between the two planes. Since the distance from plane 1 to the controller is 178, the distance from airplane 2 to the controller is 171, the distance between the two planes is 208 miles. Solve for the angle between the two planes. That means the controller is at the vertex of the angle you are solving for. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So in the diagram I have drawn below, we're trying to find angle C. In this case, we're going to need to use the law of cosines. I have the law of cosines written up here, which is how you use it to find an angle. So it'll look something like this. The cosine of C is equal to a squared, which is 171 squared, plus b squared, which is 178 squared, minus c squared, which is 208 squared. All of that divided by 2 times a, which is 171, times b, which is 178. Next, you're going to do the top half of the fraction first. So you're going to want to put this into your calculator. When you do that, you're going to end up with 17661 divided by, then on the bottom you would end up with 60, let me do that again, 60876. So the cosine of C equals that. Then in your calculator, you need to do the second cosine or inverse cosine of 17661 divided by 60876. When you do that, you end up with 73.1 degrees. Now, the numbers in your problem are probably going to be different, but you'll do the same thing and you apply the same ideas. I hope that was helpful.